Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waimalu, local and long distance movers near me. When moving large distances to or from Waimalu or in the Hawaiian Islands or across the Pacific Ocean, it's better to hire an experienced moving company like 3 Movers. This is because when moving long distances, your property is more vulnerable to harm and or competent moving company can protect you from such mishaps. Having a reputable firm handle all the heavy lifting during your relocation saves you from having to undertake all the physically demanding duties that could hurt you. Some of these businesses, such as 3 Movers, also offer other services that will make your move a walk in the park. Local moves usually are less than 100 miles, but that doesn't always mean that they are easy to execute. First, you need to appoint a reputable moving company in Waimalu to see that all your items are moved to and delivered from in one piece. Also note that there are some factors that are likely to influence your overall freight cost, such as the weight of your belongings and the number of boxes your items are boxed in. However, you can make significant savings if you get rid of junk. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Waimalu moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.